Good morning all. This is Sarita. Welcome you all. Today we will discuss about the first chapter of 10th chemistry, which is chemical reactions and equations. We will discuss about some topics of this chapter, which are as follows. Types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. There are depending upon the nature reactions, we classify them into different types, or we also classify them on the basis of different type of chemical changes taking place in a reaction. Chemical changes taking place in a reaction. On that basis, we classify them into different types. These are as follows. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction, displacement reaction. Next one is double displacement reaction. Next is precipitation reaction. Next, neutralization reaction. And last one is reduction oxidation reactions, which is commonly known as redox reaction. Okay. Now we shall discuss these reactions one by one. First of all, we discuss some points about combination reactions. Okay. So we can start with combination reactions. As the word combination clarifies that some elements or a compound or an element or a compound combine together to form a new compound. Okay. Now we define combination reactions as follows. Those reactions in which two or more elements or compound compounds combine together to form a new single compound. These type of reactions are known as combination reactions. Generally, we represent the reaction as follows. In general form, we can write it as a compound reacts with another compound or element to form a single compound C. A reacts with B to form a single compound C. We can write the combination reaction as follows. Now, in these type of combination reaction, A and B are as follows. It can be element to form a compound. Both element and element reacts to form a compound. Next, these can be a simpler compounds. Compound plus compound react to a new compound. Next one, element reacts with compound to form a new substance. ठीक है? Element and compound react to form a new substance. Compound reacts to form a new substance, and element reacts to form a new substance. Here we take some examples of these type of combinations. First example is burning of magnesium ribbon. We take the example of burning of magnesium ribbon. Burning of magnesium ribbon. As we all know that the magnesium present in our labs in the form of ribbon or a wire. It reacts with air. A layer of magnesium oxide is formed on the magnesium ribbon. So before burning, we remove this layer with the help of sandpaper, and then we burn it. So the reaction takes place as magnesium reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, which is a white color powder. Magnesium oxide is a white color powder. So in this reaction, magnesium is an element and oxygen is also an element. So this example belongs to element plus element. When element reacts with element to form a single compound, to form a single new substance. Second example we take reaction of water on quicklime. Reaction of water on quicklime. Quicklime is calcium oxide. We can also call it as calcium oxide. Quicklime or calcium oxide. Quicklime or calcium oxide. It reacts with, it is in solid state or a white color powder. It reacts with water, which is in liquid state, to form calcium hydroxide. Okay. Calcium hydroxide, which is in aqueous state, or it is commonly known as slackline, or we can also call it as calcium hydroxide. When calcium oxide reacts with water, the reaction takes place vigorously in the sense some amount of heat is produced. When calcium oxide, quicklime, reacts with water. So this reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. This reaction is also an example of exothermic reaction. Okay. These type of reactions are used in whitewashing. Whitewash next, these layers are produced on the walls. The use of this reaction in whitewash of walls. These type of reactions can further be proceeded as when calcium hydroxide further reacts with carbon dioxide, which is present in air. When the layer of calcium hydroxide is applied on the walls, Then this calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide which is present in its surrounding. It reacts with this to form calcium carbonate. To form calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, which is a thick white layer present on the walls. Present on the walls, or some amount of water is also produced along this. Some amount of water is also produced. We can write it here H2O. H2O. We can further rewrite as react with CO2 to form calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate, this is slackline. React with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate, which is present in a solid state. Which is present in solid state, and water vapor, which is gives out into the air. Okay, in the form of fumes. A thick layer of white calcium carbonate is formed on the walls. This is also known as marble. Calcium carbonate is also known as marble.